Ready to drop a sick mixtape.
Ayos, mamuntag, krong adlaw.
What are you doing?
Krong adlaw na kami diri sa Ilocos Norte gihapon, pero na kami sa Pagudpud, Tinika Norte sa tibuok na Luzon. Diri kami magsuroy krong adlaw.
Suroy pata. Not yet?
Nope, not yet.
Okay.
Mohapit kami sa mga windmills, waterfalls, caves, beaches, bisan unsa. So,
North Point
North Point.
of Luzon.
Alright, so, suroy pita.
Eh. Suroy pata.
In the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire like a moth to a fire.
Ayos, sige.
Sige.
Nakapon kami diri sa windmills sa Benguet.
Benguy.
Dili siya sa Pagudpud, mga 30 minutes ang biyahe. So astig man diri, pero mas astig pag yun ang kalo ni Joey.
Boom. Buddies.
Woo!
Boom. Buddies.
Panis. Sige. So,
Hot.
it is very hot,
Somebody.
very init. Magpabulat kami diri. Si Joey siguro na siya facts about ani na windmills.
Facts.
By Ma'am Joey.
Alright, this is the first windmill farm in Southeast Asia.
Whoop, whoop.
That's literally all I got. Yeah, that's all I got.
Sorry, fact by Joey, not facts.
Yeah.
All right.
But I didn't fact check that. I just saw it on a sign, so
Might be false.
it might be false. So don't take my word for it.
Sige, so ipalupan ako ang drone para makatanaw ko mo sa view diri. So, mag-drone na ta.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me.
Joke lang!
Let's go, bro.
Naguba gyapon ng drone ko, nawala gyapon. Wala pa ko nakapalit og bago, pero soon, puhon. Pagmuli ko sa US sa January
What?
14.
It's July.
July di ay.
No,
Eh,
June.
Muli ko sa US June 14. So, dito na lang ko magpalit og bago. So, magkula lang ko mo diya.
But for now, I have legs and a GoPros.
Yeah, so murag drone gyapon. Dili ko makinahanglan na magpalit og mahal na drone. Basta may uyab.
Yeah, just get a girlfriend.
Sige. So, sorry pa ta.
Yay.
Okay, padulong na kami sa Kaibigan Falls. Si Ma'am Joy na siya ipayong.
Okay, I'm all for
Kay Filipina na siya, dili na siya Australian.
No,
Dili siya gusto maitom.
I do want to be itom. I like to be Marana, but it's really hot.
Sige. O si Kuya, ano pangalan mo?
Where's Rudy?
Si Rudy. Siya ang guide na karon sa Kaibigan Falls. Kapag unsay kaibigan sa Tagalog or sa English?
Friends.
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 Migo. Ayos, so Friends Fall. So, suti na yung mga 30 minutes ang baklay. 1 mile. Dili ko sure sa kilometers kay mile gyapon sa US.
Yeah, I'm not stoked about the kilometers.
Yeah, nosebleed siya sa miles. Alright, so baklay ta. Sige, so kung na ako mo sa Team Beach Walk, friends ko magyapon sa Team Spartan.
Oh, really?
Yung Team Javi lang ang kontra ni Team Spartan. Pero astigma na yung Beach Walk. Sige, na kami diri sa tunga, halfway mark. Okay na tayo. Okay na, Rudy. Kaya mo.
Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. We're catching fire. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching
Sige, nagapon kami diri sa taas, sa waterfall. Sayon kaayong baklay. Mga 20 minutes siguro ang biyahe. Biyahe ang baklay. Kumusta pare? Maganda dito na. Pero sa akin, jowa. Sige, maligo kami kay Perti kainit. And then, yeah, let's go. Okay, so, kao na kami. Kay grabe kagutom. Nag-order kami usa ka kilo sa fried chicken, 4 rice. Kay diri sa hotel, dapat per kilo ang tanan. Kung muani ko mo diri sa Ilocos, no? Yep. Ilocos, gihapon. Kung muani ko mo diri, magandam ko mo na medyo mahal. Mga tricycle rides, 130 padulong sa hotel namo.
It was far, but like even the cheapest one for the same town was like 50 pesos.
So mahal ang tricycle. Scooter rental 700.
More
Yeah, the
expensive.
waterfall was 120 pesos, and then
And then you
mag-tip pa
have
ka.
to tip the guide, which I'm fine doing. But like if it's a place that I feel like I don't need a guide because it's a concrete road, I think you should have an option of a guide. If you're not going to get lost with that one.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
You know what I'm saying? Picking out what I'm putting down.
Basta magandam ko mo kay medyo mahal diri. Bakasyon diri.
Be nice, but be expensive.
Sige, pero
I'm hungry.
that's it. Sige, so nidaplin kami dire. Kali tunggod astikang view. Pero syempre tunggod na ibaka para may addition sa Zowie Zoo.
Yes, I haven't met a cow in my zoo yet. You're the first cow.
Hey bud.
You got an itchy head. You're so rough. Okay, I got it high. Okay.
Update, nisaag kami sa usa ka village, usa ka town. Padulong na kami sa pinaka north point of Luzon. Ayo, swerte kami kay naay usa ka zoo dire. Anong pangalan niya? Anong pangalan? Sunggo. Si? Sunggo? Hey, ay. Sakit. What is this guy doing? Hey, ow. I feel violent. Could poop on me for sure.
Gonna just sit on your head.
So this is Sungo.
Hi, Sunga.
A nice monkey.
Are you sure?
No, a little nervous.
Sunga, give me. No, he wants your hair.
Sige, kuto. Maraming kuto daw. Meron. Easy eating kuto.
No, you don't have kuto, I hope.
Parang kapatid kami.
Next one, Zoe Zoo, we have turkeys
What is wrong?
and some ducks. Oh, this duck attacked a turkey. What the heck?
Oh my god, there's a puppy. I gotta go.
Can I have him? My turn?
You've lost your touch with animals.
I was just playing with a cow.
The little dude over here is trying to take my woman.
When I grow up, I'm gonna be a monkey.
Kuto test. Let's see if Zoe picked up any kuto while she's been in the Philippines. Meron?
No.
Nadia?
Nuh-uh.
Dakan daw.
Ow.
Para oh. Sige, kaunon na. Kaon na. He's wondering why your hair turned purple.
You and me both, buddy.
So confused why there's no kuto. Oh, found one. Found something in there.
Sand? Did you find sand?
It was at this moment he knew he could go.
Hey, don't reject him.
I'm not.
Be nice. Be nice.
Calm down.
It's a nice one. No. Relax. What'd you do? It's okay. Ayaw niya.
Puppy?
He doesn't like you.
No, he doesn't.
He was a friendly monkey until Zoe came into her life.
I lost my touch. I was once the animal whisperer, and now this monkey wants to rip my eyes out. The dogs, they're over there. You can't see them. They don't like me either. They barked at me. There's some pigs. They liked me, little piglets. But then the mum tried to kill me. The ducks are escaping from my grasp. I'm very upset that the monkey
Relationship with
hates
this monkey?
me. Yeah. Ooh, look at this monkey. It loves Carson.
Come here.
Hates
our new trick.
me. Yeah, the new.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Ready? Nope, hold on tight. Woohoo! Nope, there you go.
Yeah, watch the new trick with me. He tries to kill me. That's all.
Let's see her just get close.
Nope. No, I'm afraid of
Just get a little bit.
I'm afraid.
A little close.
Hey,
Don't yell at him like that.
you. Hello.
You're like scaring her.
What's his name?
Sungo. Satan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She likes me.
Alright. Let's go.
Oi.
Get her.
What?
Get her. Get her. Come on.
Why do you hate me?
Simba. Ska. Mabuhay sa pinaka-norte. Most northern part of Luzon, main island.
There are more north bits.
Right over there.
Yeah, we didn't make it because the path turned into less of a
Same.
path. So we're at the
Almost northern.
almost most northern part of Luzon, main island.
Diri lang kami kutob kay kapoy mo baklay dito sa pinaka-norte. Pero count it na lang.
Yeah, we're gonna count it.
We're gonna count it. Alright, we're heading home. Muli na kami. We didn't show the real main tourist attraction here in Pagudpud. So, money siya. Usa ka cove diri na astig. Na jet skis,
Zipline.
zipline, world's largest over water dao. Astig man diri, pero diri ang tourist trap. Dili kami ganahan ana. So, nisag lang kami sa bukid because
We're not into that. Hannah's is like the main resort and it takes up like 90% of this cove.
yes, that's Hannah's resort. Hannah's.
Pretty much the whole thing, and then there's like a few like restos and homestays and like tindahans. Very busy.
So, so dagan homestay dire. Siguro barato sila yung homestay, pero feeling na ako mahal gyapon kay tanan diri mahal. But malayo ang apartment namo. So, let's get going. English ba?
Let go.